have apps for everything? Like for any purpose, we have an app.
Yes, we have apps for everything. If you want to do maybe order for some food, we have apps for that. If we have any doubts related to studies, we have apps for that. If you want to talk to someone, video call someone, we have so many
Anyways,
apps.
and if I say which is the most useful application you have on your phone? So, okay, what are some of your favorite applications, and why do you think those are your favorite? Yeah. Hello.
You.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing great as well. Thank you for asking. So, this is the first time we are meeting, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Arundhati Roktima. I'm 13 years old. I study in grade 9 and I come from the city of Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh. And I think that's about me.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, what made you join Clapingo? You are already more than 100 sessions, I see. So,
Yeah.
what made you join Clapingo?
So when I joined Clapingo, I was not at all good at spoken English. I was very nervous while speaking English. And I think that's the reason I joined this platform. I wanted to become more confident while speaking English.
All right, very nice. So I'm sure you're getting it from here because, yeah, like as it is, you're good in English. I feel like that you can speak in English pretty nicely. The only thing which could have gone wrong was the confidence, and
Yeah.
which is okay now because you seem to be very interactive.
Oh.
Exactly. So you tell me, what is your routine like? What do you do throughout the day and all?
So I have to get up really early at 6 a.m. in the morning for my school, and we have our school from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. now because of the heat. The government has asked the school to just reduce the timing because earlier it went up to 1 p.m. and at that time it used to be really hot and unbearable. So now we are back from our school at 10:30. So from 7 to 10:30 I have my school, and then I take a small nap and I get fresh and then I eat lunch. And after that I just go for my studies or maybe some classes that I have to attend, and that's how my day goes.
Did you have your lunch?
Not yet. I'll have it at 1:30.
Okay, okay, all right. So it's a good routine. So I guess, this is only better. Like 1 p.m. School getting off is quite hectic in this weather. So when I used to go in like school, like quite few years back, so that time I remember it was from 8:30 to 2:30.
Oh,
Yeah, it was like long hours. Okay, and but I used to enjoy it. That hectic and that tiredness is also like nowadays I miss it because that was much better.
hmm.
It was like 6 to 7 years back. So I believe this is like, this life, I guess that is much better than this life what I'm having right now. Because that time it was like fun, no tension, no responsibilities and nothing.
Yeah.
So yeah, exactly. So anyways, did you go through the topic we have today?
I think it's smartphone applications.
Exactly, yeah. So are you okay with the topic? Shall we begin?
Yes, we can go for it.
Okay, okay, all right. The first question I have for you is how much time do you usually spend on your electronic device, any device?
I usually spend around 1 hour or 1.5 hours on a daily basis.
Okay, and what do you do? And which device do you use firstly?
I use my mobile for this, but I also use my laptop for classes that I have to attend. Because if we include that, then my device, my screen time would be around 4 to 5 hours because I have classes that I have to attend. But apart from that, I use my phone. Maybe watch some YouTube videos or use WhatsApp to chat with my family or friends.
So you're having online sessions as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you read, like, you read a lot of books I see, like, behind you.
Yeah. Hmm.
So what kind of genre do you prefer?
I love to read fiction books, and also lately I've started reading some mystery and thriller books.
Okay, okay. So which author are you referring to currently?
I have started reading Agatha Christie's books.
Best, yeah, that's the best when you come to like thrillers and mystery.
Yeah.
Any so Okay, what are some of your favorite applications, and why do you think those are your favorite?
YouTube for sure, because there we can find so many things. We can go there for our entertainment. If we have any doubts related to studies or anything, we can just search up the answers, and we'll get a detailed explanation video for that.
Yeah,
It's really
lecturing.
nice.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And apart from that, any other application?
I'm not sure if this would count as an application, but Chat GPT, is it counted as an application?
That is I guess I haven't used it. So like, do you download it like as
No, we access it through the web browser. So
the
I don't
actual
think that's an
site?
app.
What is a site? Site
Yeah.
you are referring to, yeah, exactly. So like the young generation is like crazy about ChatGPT and all.
Mm.
So anyways, and if I say which is the most useful application you have on your phone?
WhatsApp, I would say, because we can chat to anyone, we can call anyone, we can video call anyone. It's amazing to have WhatsApp.
Exactly. Okay. And if I ask you which application do you spend the most time on, what would you say?
Which application do I spend time on? Okay, it's YouTube Music for sure.
Okay. So what music do you listen? Who's your favorite singer and what do you prefer?
So I really love to listen to pop music, English songs, and my favorite singer would be Harry Styles, maybe, or Taylor Swift.
Okay. Okay. All right. Good. Right. Okay. And so do you think now we have apps for everything? Like for any purpose, we have an app?
Yes, we have apps for everything. If you want to do maybe order for some food, we have apps for that. If we have any doubts related to studies, we have apps for that. If we want to talk to someone, video call someone, we have so many apps for everything.
Exactly. Yeah. So every purpose, we have something or the other.
Yeah.
Exactly. And according to you, what is the most unique app on your phone, on your phone?
Unique app. I think most of my apps that I have on my phone are just very basic. Maybe Duolingo would be a unique app.
Okay, what is Duolingo? I have heard about Duolingo, but I actually never used it.
Oh, it's a language learning app. There are many languages that you can learn from it. There are quizzes or games through which you can learn new languages.
Okay, and is it like you have to take subscriptions and all?
No, it's for free.
Okay, okay, that's fun. Yeah. Okay. So okay, do you believe that some applications turn your phone into a mini computer?
I could say yeah, because there are so many, advanced applications that we can use, and the main thing is that if we want to do anything that we do on the computer, on the phone, then we can just go to Google Chrome and just search the site and do the work. It's Mobiles have become very advanced now. There is
Absolutely.
very little difference between the works that a computer can do and the mobile's works.
Exactly, yeah. And the next thing I have is, do you think running a business from the phone is possible now?
Yes, there are so many sites where you can just post your products, photos, and the details about your products, and then people can access it and buy it from you. It's really nice. We can start a business from it.
Exactly, yeah. From like, there is this like app I have seen I don't know, pre up app, okay, then maybe Misho or something, like you
Yeah.
can start your own business there and all.
Hmm.
Exactly, okay. So according to you, what is the most entertaining thing and the most like what do you use when you're bored on your phone?
YouTube, I would say. I love to just scroll through shorts when I'm bored.
Okay, that's more like an addiction.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So does having many apps slow down your phone? Do you believe in this thing?
Yes, yes. If you have so many apps, and they will occupy a lot of storage in your phone, and then your phone will just slowly just deteriorate and just it will shut down maybe someday or become very
And you
slow.
get the basic thing. The start is like the like getting hot. Your phone gets like your hand will
Yeah,
actually burning. It's so hot.
Yeah,
So what phone do you use?
I think it's a Samsung phone.
Okay, okay. Do you know like the like series, which series you're using?
I think it's A23. I'm not sure. Galaxy J7 A23.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, all right. So any phone which you want to like, which you're hoping to buy and maybe, which you actually want to get for yourself.
Okay, so the thing is that whenever my mom gets a new phone, her old phone becomes mine. So my mom's phone, her current phone is really amazing. It's a Samsung phone, A73 minus 23. So if she buys a new phone, I could maybe get that.
Oh, her phone is A73.
I think so.
Okay, okay. All right. So that's I guess cool. And the best Samsung phone currently is Samsung S23 Ultra.
Oh.
So that is the best one like for now.
Hmm.
A73 you said, right? Let me just check if I have seen it or not.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, yeah. It's good, it's good.
Hmm.
And the one you are using, it's quite like it's an old version.
Yes.
A23 is quite old.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I'm sure if she gets a new phone, you will be getting the A73, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So this will happen like even in my I'll tell you, even in my childhood days, I have done it. And the first phone I got myself, I saved like I started saving money, and from there I bought a new phone. That time I was in class 10, I guess, 9 or 10.
Oh.
Exactly, yeah. So that is all.
That's great.
Yeah. So when do you plan to get your own phone? Do you save any money for it and anything like that?
No, I am not really saving anything. Maybe when I'll get a job, I'll get a phone of mine.
Okay. Till then, like you want your parents to get you something or the other, right?
Yeah, yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So like, how was school today?
It was good, but we got so much homework. And usually what happens is that the last week of April, the school just gets cancelled because of the heat. But this month, the week is not getting cancelled, and we have to go to school up to like 28th or 29th. And my parents and I just planned a trip to Delhi this week, and I'll have to miss my school for that. I was thinking that we'll get a day off. That's why we booked the tickets. But now there is school. It isn't being cancelled yet. And
When
I
are you going for the like? When are you going to Delhi?
on 27th.
27. So that's very new. Like the day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
You're very excited. You seem to be very excited.
I'm not excited. I'm very scared, you can say, because then I'll have to, miss on school. And the thing is that I don't have any of my friends' numbers from class, and I cannot even ask them for notes because
Why?
then
Why don't you have any number?
actually our classes just got shuffled. What happens after eighth is now I'm in ninth. So in ninth, all the classes gets shuffled, and then you meet new students. And I haven't really made any close friends yet, so I don't have any of their phone numbers.
Oh, that is like really like upsetting definitely. So I'm sure are you going to school tomorrow?
I think so, yeah.
So you can plan out any like anything like you can plan out a story and just ask for a number just in case you will be needing it.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I guess we've almost reached the time. So any questions, any queries, anything you want to ask, you can just ask me.
Nope, I don't have anything in my mind.
Okay, so about the feedback, I believe you're a good speaker. Like at such a young age, you can manage to speak in English very nicely, and you're a very intelligent and bright girl. So be the same, carry on having this enthusiastic, nature you have, and I'm sure you will get like lots and lots of things in life.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for attending my session, and also take care of yourself. Have a beautiful trip ahead. And till then, like we can meet again after that. But till then, take care and yeah, enjoy your session.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care. Yeah. Yeah.